In this tutorial, we'll cover installing the new hero theme into an existing storefront, as well as creating a brand new storefront with the hero theme. We'll start off on this existing theme and go to the Themes tab, Theme Gallery, go down to the hero theme, and we're going to click the Add Theme button. This will prompt with a confirmation, and we'll click on OK. The installation process will take between 30 seconds to 1 minute. After the theme's installed, the tabs will refresh. We can see here we now have a hero tab. We can hover over this tab and click the Activate button. This will activate the new theme, but keep in mind there are certain aspects of your existing site that will still be in effect. This is not actually replacing the file system and everything on your site. So you'll probably want to make sure to live preview this theme before activation. Now we'll cover actually creating a new storefront with this theme. We'll go back to the Themes tab, Theme Gallery, and then click New Storefront. This will prompt us with the option for the Dev storefront. We'll click Create Storefront. This will install an additional storefront with the hero theme and the full sample site. If you're just getting started with the hero theme, we actually recommend creating the second storefront. Okay, our new hero theme has been installed in our development storefront. We're now ready to begin browsing the storefront and customizing the theme.